If you don't like falling for scams but still want to make money online, then this video is for you. Welcome to the world of WarriorPlus, where some offers shine bright, but others not so much. Today, we're diving into the murky waters of WarriorPlus scams. Spotting these scams can be tricky, but we've got your back. First, beware of promises that sound too good to be true. Make $10,000 in a week with zero effort? Yeah, right. Also, keep an eye out for fake testimonials. If everyone looks like a stock photo model, you might be onto something. Next, scrutinize the product quality. Is it rehashed content, or does it actually bring value? Remember, if they can't show you a decent preview, steer clear. Lastly, trust your gut and do your homework. Look for reviews from real users, not just affiliates. Stay sharp, stay safe, and keep hustling. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. See you in the next one.